Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a very simple video. I'm just taking this HD closure wig and I'm just making it look as much like a frontal as possible. And I'm not going to lie, wait until the end. I bodied this. I cannot wait for y'all to see. So y'all see how I got an HD closure 5x5 wig, right? And y'all know I'm gonna wind up cutting these combs out too. But before I do that, I just wanted to show y'all how I went in with the plucking. I try not to over pluck it, but I plucked it just enough. Like, it's gonna come out really nice. But instead of curling this is I think like 36 inches. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not curling this. Like, it's giving, I want a bone straight, real long wig that I could throw on real quick. Like, you know, something glueless. And if you don't like frontals or nothing like that, then this is definitely the wig for you. This is the way to go. So once I get this wig on and styled, we're gonna get the straightening and see how this come out. And we're not only gonna straighten it, we're gonna make this closure a side part wig. So a closure side part wig, and I know y'all see it all over the place, but we about to do a little, gotta put a little Paris touch on it. Y'all know I get crazy with the making the closures look like frontals type of vibe. Y'all know. Now I'm gonna take the remaining makeup and I'm gonna just apply a little bit on top of the lace, just a little bit. We're just gonna comb out the baby hairs a little bit because they a little stiff. They a little stiff. We don't want it to be stiff. We don't do the stiff. So let me comb it out for a second. Even though I love the way they shave. This is a look, y'all. Like, this is really, really giving. Like, I didn't think I would like it so much. Like, I know I was gonna body it, but I didn't think I was gonna like it this much. I really don't even want to take it off. And just to think that this is a closure wig. Like, we already discussed this. Don't mind a mess, y'all. Y'all know I'm not home right now, but look at how this hair looks. Look how good it looks. This is how long it is. 36. This is definitely about to be one of my favorites because like yes, like yes. Like, I could do this. Like, I wish I would have known this years ago when we first started wearing closure wigs and we wasn't even touching nor looking at frontals. I don't even think they existed now that I think about it. But I wish I would have known this so long ago. Like, I would have, you know, at least we know what we could do now, right? Whoever watching, like, oh, that's how you do it. Yes, girl, that's how you do it. That's how you get the look low, you know. Whatever. I want to take some cute pictures with this hair though, and as y'all can see, I'm super casually dressed. I'm at home chilling, just working, doing what I do, but I do want to take good pictures, and I am going home tomorrow, so I might take pictures once I get to the house tomorrow, and we just gonna probably go like that because yeah. Anyways, y'all, let me know what y'all think about this look down below in the comments. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.